Hey guys, I'm going to show you my fidget spinner that I actually got. And here it is. This is it right there. This is actually glow in the dark.
Hi guys.
It's really cool because this one, it's actually glow in the dark.
Show them the sound. Show them the sound. Okay, show them the sound like this.
What? Oh yeah, so this is what it sounds like when you're going really fast and you blow on it. It just goes. It just kind of looks like a helicopter sound. So I'm gonna try something else with it. I can't do that.
How's work today, honey?
Bad. Hi guys.
Looking at parts.
Did you see me before?
Sounds like fun.
Did you even know that?
Everybody, did you make
I
me
have no
before?
idea. Why?
Chase, look.
There's 1,000 kids there. I'm looking all over for them, driving around.
Wait.
like
So I
after
can spin it on
7:30,
one
there's still
finger.
1,000
I can
kids.
spin it on the one. See, okay.
So I drive around to the other side, and I see him get in the vehicle. And just as he was about to close the door, I was like, Ethan! And then my sunglasses on, and he didn't know who I was. I took my sunglasses off, and he's like, hey. I'm like, Grandma's downtown, she can't come pick you up. I said, are you getting a ride home? I said, yeah, I have no idea where my mom is.
Chase. Is that 300?
I have no idea.
1,000 likes.
No,
3,000? 4,000?
twice. So actually on the camera, it actually looks a lot different from when I spin it, because you guys can see it like really going like really slow. Like it looks like it's going fast, and then it looks like it goes really slow, and then it looks like it's going fast again. But for me, I can't see that. But you guys can see it perfectly. I'm gonna go show you what it looks like when it goes in the dark.
Yeah.
Can I go in here?
You can't see it that good.
Oh, you guys can't see it. That's so bad.
Yeah, it's so sad.
Wait, okay, so that won't work, guys. I have to go out. There we go. So I just kind of wanted to show you what it can kind of do, and I'm gonna show you what it can. I just want to show you what like and how.
Dad, I'm going to get.
I'm going to
Okay,
put it. I'm gonna spin it. Wait.
I'm gonna get a fidget spinner. Do they know me?
I'm spinning it.
Ooh, 69,000 likes.
No.
7,000.
Okay. So we're gonna end the video. Okay.